Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Subaru Outback Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E2531P. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, crystal black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Outback seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Outback's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, backup camera, rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. You can fold the rear seats from the back with a pull of a handle. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, power seats, with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 24,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, along with adaptive cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and AHA radio apps, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Here with home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Outback has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Outback, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.